Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Truthfulness and honesty are the most important characteristics of a successful human being and the basic traits which a Muslim must follow in his life. Lack of truthfulness and lying are extremely common nowadays. Advantages of being truthful are credibility, safe from many other sins, will never falsely accuse someone, never promise that which he won't fulfill, will not cheat by lying for temporary gain. Example, while selling goods, will not exaggerate an event, will not utter whatever he hears without verification, will not misguide and mislead when asked for advice, will admit his faults. झूठ इंसानी सोसाइटी में एक बड़ा दर्जा बदकारी का है और उसकी वजह से हर तरफ तबाही है और बुरी आदतों का सबसे अहम शैतानी हिस्सा है और जिसकी वजह से बड़े पैमाने पर हर तरफ तबाही फैलाता है. Hence Islam commanded truthfulness and forbade lying. We all are aware of the story of a shepherd who had the bad habit of telling lies. The unfortunate shepherd lost his life for telling lies. एक बार अगर कोई झूठ बोल दे तो उसको झूठ बोलने की फिर आदत जैसी हो जाती है. नतीजा ये होता है कि अगर कभी वो सच भी बोले तो कोई यकीन नहीं करता. The messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "You must be truthful, for truthfulness leads to righteousness and righteousness leads to paradise. A man will keep speaking the truth and striving to speak the truth until he will be recorded with Allah as a Siddiq. Beware of telling lies, for lying leads to immorality and immorality leads to hellfire. A man will keep telling lies and striving to tell lies until he is recorded with Allah as a liar." सच्चाई अल्लाह के तई सच्चा बनकर उसकी इबादत खुलूस के साथ करनी चाहिए और सच्चा बनकर एक लफ्ज़ में किसी के वादा और लेन देन जैसे किसी ख़रीदारी और फरोख्त और शादी में किसी को धोखा ना हो. इसी तरह हर शख्स को वैसा ही होना चाहिए जैसा वो अंदर से हो वैसा ही बाहर से होना चाहिए. We believe in promises of Allah like Jannat and Jahannam because Allah is truthful. We believe in Prophet because he is truthful. Never seen to be lying. We must also be truthful and always say the truth and stay away from lies. Thank you.